Today I am with Honor 7X and I will show you how you can turn on and customize Always On Display in this smartphone. So when you normally open the settings in this phone, just take a look. And you are looking for Always On Display and the display options. You cannot find it because this option is not available here. But we can find external application from the Play Store that allow us to use this great and useful feature. So take a look. You have to open the Play Store. Of course, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network with mobile data, and you have to simply type Muviz Edge in the search pool. It's from Sparking Labs, so we have to install. When the download is finished, you can open, and at the first we have to accept both permissions. Right here we have to select this switcher to draw Muviz Edge over other apps. We have to go back, we have to select overlay mode and tap to get started. Right now we have to go for the AOD screens button, and in this place you will find few default AOD themes. I would like to apply this one, so click apply at the right bottom corner, and next if you want to customize this option you have to tap on this right upper corner, and you can find here a lot of different settings, and I will show you my favorite setup. Of course you can customize this function for your own preferences. Okay, and right now it's finished, so we can finally lock our phone and take a look. The Always On Display appears right here. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.